Viewers, welcome to my channel. After a long time, আমি আপনাদের মাঝে এসেছি. I will show some. First of all, I have to show you my garden equipments. Look, I've got some seeds here. We will show you how to germinate this type of seeds. Before that, I've got a gift from my elder brother. He gave me this stuff for garden. And winter is coming, I have to use my gloves. After that, I have another one. This is for garden soil. This is for the I'll use basically this one for my digging my small tree plants. I'm just shifting. When I shifting, this is my another one. This is big one and very sharp for this side. This part is very sharp. After I can cut it down one tree also from this part by like. And this one is grass cutter. This one also another digger. And this is, I just took this one, but I cannot complete. This is I have to hold another big stand. I'll add another big stand here. Then I will digging the big pipe like plants, small, 1 or 2 chance. And this is my scissor for bonsai. This one is my new pruner, which is brought from Canada. My brother sent me, and this one also my elder brother sent me for me for digging. And now what's new? New is here is first one is seeds for white brinjal. Okay, this one is another one which is more rare. I got first time from in my hand. Let me move this. I've got some palm seeds. I will put for germination. Put this, and this is the more attractive. This is the beefsteak tomato. Its size will be around 250 gram, more than 250 grams each, and this is big stuff. It looks like actually this is the color you see, the golden color. And this time, for the first time, I will go for germination. And before this germination, I show you my palm seeds, 4 palm seeds. Another seeds which I bought from Bangkok. Another is this one is the melon, which is the easiest melon, sweet melon. This one is papaya. This one is zucchini, yellow zucchini. This one is another melon. This is another melon. And this one is another papaya. This long papaya. And finally this one is rambutan, which I already use. This two already used. It is in my garden. Tree, very small plant, and I will show you. And more seeds I have to show you, which is show you before today I will go for germination, which is first of all this brinjal, this zucchini, and this melon. And for this tree and this, every seed germination I will give particular single, not in a same video. I will give one by one. So let me go for first one. Which one is first? This one, the golden beef steak. tomato. Okay guys, see you in my next video. Thank you.